Hey there, and welcome back to the Pure English channel. So here's a weird question. Are you more human or more microbe? Believe it or not, your body is home to trillions of bacteria. In fact, you might actually be more bacteria than human, at least when it comes to the number of cells. Today, we're taking a microscopic journey into the hidden world living inside you, your personal ecosystem known as the human microbiome. And once you understand it, you'll never think of yourself the same way again. And while you're learning, you'll also get to practice your English by reading, listening, and even going further with your fluency using the shadowing method. Shadowing is a powerful technique for improving your English. It works like this. You listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it out loud, almost like you're echoing it. This helps you practice speaking in a natural and active way. It trains your ears, your mouth, and your brain all at once, and that's what makes it so effective. So, let's read and listen to a text together. Quick reminder: hit subscribe and learn cool stuff and boost your English at the same time. What is the human microbiome? Let's start with the basics. The microbiome is the collection of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms that live in and on your body. Most of them live in your gut, but others hang out on your skin, in your mouth, in your nose, and even in your eyes. And here's the crazy part. You have about 30 trillion human cells, but somewhere around 39 trillion microbial cells. So yeah, by the numbers, you're more microbe than man. Why you need bacteria to survive? Wait, isn't bacteria bad? Not at all. While some bacteria can cause disease, most of them are essential for survival. Here's what your bacteria do for you. Help digest food. Produce vitamins like B and K. Protect against harmful microbes. Train your immune system. Regulate your metabolism. In fact, without your microbiome, you'd probably be dead, or at least very, very sick. Gut bacteria and the brain. Here's where it gets even weirder. Your gut and your brain talk to each other through something called the gut-brain axis, mainly via the vagus nerve. Your gut bacteria can actually influence mood, anxiety levels, memory, even decision-making. Ever had a gut feeling? That's not just a metaphor. Your bacteria might literally be influencing your thoughts. Researchers are even exploring gut bacteria's role in conditions like depression, autism, and Alzheimer's. Your microbiome is like a fingerprint. No two people have exactly the same microbiome. It's influenced by genetics, where you were born, whether you were born vaginally or by C-section, your diet, your environment, your pets, even the people you kiss. Your microbiome is constantly changing, adapting to your lifestyle, your habits, and even your stress levels. When things go wrong, when your microbiome gets out of balance, a condition called dysbiosis, it can lead to all kinds of problems. Digestive issues, like IBS or bloating, allergies, skin conditions like eczema, obesity, diabetes, even autoimmune diseases. Antibiotics can kill bad bacteria, but they also wipe out good ones, which is why overuse can be a big problem. That's where probiotics and prebiotics come in, helping rebuild and feed your good bacteria. How to keep your microbiome happy. Want to take care of your inner army? Here's what your microbiome loves: fiber-rich foods, fruits, veggies, whole grains. Fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. Less sugar and processed food. Plenty of water. Less stress, because stress affects your gut directly. Outdoor time and getting a little dirty. Seriously. Your bacteria thrive when you live like a human, connected to real food, nature, and movement. So here's the big takeaway. You're a walking planet, home to trillions of tiny roommates. And they're not just along for the ride. They're helping you function, think, digest, fight illness, and stay alive. You are a superorganism, a team effort between human and microbe. Take care of your microbiome, and it'll take care of you. I'd love to know, was any of this new to you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget, learning a language is all about showing up and practicing a little every day. Stick around and use this channel to practice shadowing whenever you can. Watch again if you want more practice. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. In the beginning, it takes effort. But over time, you'll speak, understand, and even think in another language. What feels hard today will feel natural tomorrow. Just keep going. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your curious friends. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about communication. Mistakes happen, but that's okay. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy the journey. See you in the next video.